STEC's Invention Center for the IFSEC 2017. We are here to give you a brief information about the company and its products.
And we would like to introduce to you Mr. Dave, our ZKTeco product manager, and he will explain and answer the questions about the product. Sir, what are the benefits of using this security product in our household?
So actually, you know that the security products, most important thing is to protect your own property. So if you are an owner of a factory, you want all your machines and all your products, your stock are safe, right? It is so important. So that's why more and more owners, they pay a lot of attention of security products. So that is ZK's target to provide a good solution to protect your property and assets.
So sir, can you elaborate why you call this hybrid biometric technology?
Hybrid, we means that different kinds of biometric combined together. So I know actually on the market it's common to have only one biometric, but ZK's special advantage is that we not only provide one kind of biometric, also we provide different kinds of biometric. I give you an example. Like the workers on the construction site, always they work very hard and their fingerprint, the quality is not so good. Actually, some of them, they can't read their fingerprint. So actually based on ZK's hybrid technology, they have another choice. They can use their face or they can use their wing. So that means we can make sure everyone, no matter what kind of work, no matter what kind of job you do, we give you a solution on only one device to let you use biometric.
So sir, I have one last question. Can you give us any idea what's the difference between the reader and the controller? How would they communicate and work together?
So actually why we divide to reader and controller is that we want to make it secure. So actually, you know, the reader is always installed outside the door. So everyone, they can access that reader. But the controller side is the control part. Actually, the door is open or not is decided by the controller. That's why we divide it to two parts. Always a controller part. We had this part inside the building, always on the ceiling in a secure place. So between the two devices, the communication we use vegan or RS-485 to ensure that the information can be transferred to that and is secure. That's the communication between that.
That's very informative, sir. Thank you.
And thank you. First, let me introduce ZKTeco time maintenance solutions. ZKTeco time maintenance hardware, including different kind of biometric technology, including fingerprint, face, and palm vein. So we integrate different kind of technologies into one device to solve the problem. You know, not all of the person can use single biometric to identify. For example, like the workers on the construction site, their fingerprint quality is bad. So in this kind of situation, they can choose face or palm vein. Another point of the hardware, we provide different kind of platform. So you know that we have the standard Linux platform. That's a device with all the functions included. So the customer can take it back and use it. But some of our customers, they are system integrator. They want to have their unique solutions. In this kind of situation, we offer the Android platform. So our partner, they can take the Android platform and the SDK, develop their own app and implement on the device. Then they will have their unique solutions and software run on the devices. Then we come to the software. For ZKTeco time maintenance software, there is one important middleware. We call that WDMS. In this kind of system, all the hardware devices using the push technology to give the data to the server. So, based on the WDMS, one PC server can manage thousands of time maintenance hardware devices. So, it is very efficient system. And in this system, the software system can get the real-time record very fast. That means one person put your fingerprint here, less than 1 second or about 1 second, they can get a record in the PC server. And our third-party partners, they can make their own software to share the database with the WDMS. Then they have their own time attendance system or their payroll system. So this is the whole ZKTeco time attendance system. Thank you. If you have a small office and want to install several access control systems on the doors, always you care about it should be a cost-effective system and faster installation and easy maintenance in the future. So in this kind of situation, ZK Access is a good choice for this kind of SMB application. In ZK Access system, we have the hardware including standalone devices and controller and reader. The software is ZK Access 3.5. So using ZK Access 3.5, you can manage all the hardwares in same platform. So some of the client, they will ask, I don't want only access control system. I want access control and time maintenance in one device. So the standalone devices is the most suitable solution. On the standalone device, you can do the enrollment, enroll your fingerprint, your password, and your face. And on the screen, you can see the time, the data, and you can use the USB to download a record. And also for the installation, it's so easy. You just mount it on the front door and connect with the door lock and exit button. That's it. And why they choose the controller? Because the reader and the controller separate. You will install the reader outside the door. It's an unsecure place, and the controller, which controls the door lock, will be installed inside the door on the ceiling or somewhere which is secure. So this is a more secure solution for the client. And totally all the hardwares, you can use the software to manage and to get the daily report of all the records and to manage all the users' information. Finally, for the SMB project, ZK Access 3.5 is a good choice. Thank you. So besides the ZKTeco SMB system, we also provide one enterprise level access control system. That is ZK Biosecurity 3.0 platform. Imagine you have one factory. So what kind of system do you need to protect your own factory? You need access control. Also, you need a patrol system. Once someone comes to visit your factory, you need a visitor management system. Also, your CCTV or surveillance system run there. You need some integration between that with your access control system. So all this kind of system are included into the ZK Biosecurity 3.0 platform. So we use this to provide one integrated platform to make all the subsystems link with each other. So the information is not separate, it's all have some relationship with each other. For example, like you swipe a card, you have one record. According to the record, you can get the exact video at that time who entered into that door. So this is the advantage of one integrated system. Next step, I will give some introduction of the hardware of this enterprise level platform. As you can see on this wall, these are the hardwares we call green label products, special designed for the enterprise level platform. So all the products, they are using the same design language, looks like from the same family. And in this product line, we have the controller, we have the different kinds of vegan reader. This is only RFID reader, and this is RFID with keypad. Also, we have the standalone devices, fingerprint and face, and fingerprint and finger ring. So with this advanced product line, green label, and the software platform, we can provide one total integrated access control system for enterprise requirements. And this is the good choice to protect your property and your factory or your building. Thank you. So now I give an introduction of ZKTeco's turnstile products. So here you can see that we have the tripod. It always used for the more tough environment like the construction site entrance. And another one is the flat barrier, mainly used for the office building lobby. So ZKTeco, we provide one fully integrated turnstile. That means it's not only a turnstile, also the access control system embedded inside. And all the wires are connected from the factory, and all the testing be finished in the factory. So our business partner just take the device to the site and put onto the ground and fix it and power on, it works. So this is one important advantage that can save the cost of our business partner. Then we have a look at the flat barrier. Actually, the flat barrier including several parts, modules, including the cabinet, the infrared sensor, and the mechanism core and the board. So this kind of parts be together, and using the infrared sensor, we can detect the tailgate or the wrong detection entrance. So the device will give an alarm to remind the guard there is some invalid access happened, so they can stop the person. Besides all these devices, ZKTeco also provides a swing barrier. So that is ADA gate with a wide lane for the disabled person with a wheelchair, or for some person to take the goods to go through the wide lane. So always this kind of ADA wide lane works together with the flat barrier and tripod. So as part of ZKTeco's access control system, the boom gate is the hardware we manage the vehicle. So like the main entrance of the factory, when the truck comes, they use the boom barrier to control. Always it works with our access control system or the UHF reader. So like the employee come here they don't have to open the window. They just drive their car, and the UHF reader read the tag in the car and trigger the boom barrier, automatic open. When the car goes through, and the photo cell will detect the car and automatically close the barrier. So this is a very important part of the whole solution. Thank you. So here we show you the ZKTeco bio lock and ZKTeco camera system. So for the lock, we provide different kinds of biometric lock, including the fingerprint lock with a metal cover, and the fingerprint lock with a touch screen, and face lock. So on this face lock, you just have a look at the lock and you open it. Then we also have the RFID hotel lock. So for the lock, these are all the options we have. Regarding to the camera system, we have the hybrid NVR. So the devices not only connect with IP camera, also can connect with AHD analog camera. So these are all the cameras we have. So this is ZKTeco walk-through metal detector, and when the person goes through the gate with some metal in your pocket, it will detect and give alarm. So I will give a demo. And you can see that it has a LCD show you the in and out number. So actually it can count how many person go inside and how many person go out. And we have one LED here to show you which part have metal. Actually, these devices we divided to different zones. It have left, right, and middle, and also have 6 zones of the different height. And according to this kind of different zones, it will give more information to the guard to search on the person's body. Thank you.